Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, everything is clear. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing good. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is almost here. We have some new renders and some bad news about the Galaxy S22 Ultra lineup. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will come with the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, which is almost 12.5% stronger than the previous generation, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This time, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra can take a better photo of a moon and with a different color tone than its predecessor. Before moving on, if you like the content, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, can Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra beat iPhone 13 Pro Max in speed test? Moving on, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra cameras are powering up with 108 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and two 10 megapixel lenses. One is 3x optical zoom and one is 10x optical zoom, and a 40 megapixel selfie camera. A new leak that came up that the Samsung is planning to release the S22 Ultra on February 9, 2022, and pre-order will start the same day and will go on stores on 25th of February 2022. Now, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will support 15 watt of wireless charging but 45 watt of fast charging with wire. But a sad news for the user that Samsung may not include the charger in the box, and in my previous video I talked about the price of that charger, which is almost £50. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz capability, going from 1Hz to 120Hz depending on the situation. Samsung yesterday unveiled the Exynos 2200 on their YouTube channel and website, putting Exynos 2200 as a gaming CPU. There is no doubt that the Exynos 2200 is far more better than the Exynos 2100 with improved ray tracing and more, but as of looking at leaked benchmarks of this processor, this is still behind the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. Also, people do have concerns about heating issue of the device, where a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor may get heat up. Let's see how Samsung will tackle this issue, because Samsung put the tagline console level gaming. The S Pen edition in the Galaxy S22 Ultra will give a Note users an opportunity to upgrade this time, because S22 Ultra looks more like the Note 20 Ultra and the edition of the S Pen. Samsung did a right thing to merge both flagship devices. But that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below iPhone 13 Pro Max versus the S22 Ultra speed test. Which one will win? Till then, take care, goodbye.